Hello student. Today we are going to discuss about the nomenclature of monosaccharides. The general name for monosaccharide is glycose. What is the general name of monosaccharide? Is glycose. Monosaccharide with one aldehyde group. Monosaccharide with one aldehyde group, that is CHO group, are called aldose. And the monosaccharide with one ketonic group are called ketose. These names are further modified according with the total number of carbon atom in the monosaccharide. See here the example of glucose. Here example of glucose. Glucose is C6H12O6. General molecular formula of glucose is C6H12O6. In glucose, one CHO group is present. Hence, glucose is aldose. And there are total 6 carbon atoms are present. Hence, this is hexose. Hence, glucose is aldohexose. And see the fructose. In fructose, one ketonyl group is present. Hence, fructose is ketose, and fructose also contains 6 carbon atom. Hence, name is ketohexose. This is the nomenclature of monosaccharide. See again, general name for monosaccharide is glycose. Monosaccharide with one CHO group are called aldose. One ketonyl group are called ketose. And when there are 6 carbon, compound is aldopentose or aldohexose. When there are 6 carbon, then compound is aldohexose or ketohexose. When there are 5 carbon, the compound is aldopentose or ketopentose. Next, our next point is glucose. Glucose is a compound aldohexose. What is glucose? Is aldohexose. The general molecular formula C6H12O6. Glucose contains one CHO group and total number of carbon are 6. Glucose occur in nature in free as well as combined state. What is glucose occurs in nature in free as well as combined state? Students, glucose can be prepared from sucrose or by starch by acid catalyzed hydrolysis. See here preparation of glucose. Glucose can be prepared from sucrose C12H22OLN plus water molecule. Here see here, this is acid catalyzed reaction. Sucrose is hydrolyzed by warming with dilute hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid for about 2 hours. Sucrose is hydrolyzed by warming with dilute hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid for about 2 hours. This hydrolysis converts the sucrose into mixture of glucose and fructose. The hydrolysis converts the sucrose into glucose and fructose. Glucose is separated from fructose by adding ethanol. This glucose separated from fructose by adding ethanol because glucose is insoluble in ethanol. Hence, this is crystallized out and by filtration we obtain the glucose. See here sucrose molecule. This is a sucrose molecule C12H22O11, and when we hydrolyze it in the presence of acid, hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid, dilute hydrochloric or sulfuric acid for about 2 hours, then we obtain glucose and fructose. This glucose is insoluble in ethanol. When we add ethanol into this, and after filtration glucose is crystallized out. Then preparation of glucose by starch. See here, commercially this is a commercial method. Preparation of glucose from starch, this is commercial method. Commercially glucose is obtained by hydrolysis of starch by boiling it with dilute sulfuric acid at 393 Kelvin under 2 to 3 atmospheric pressure. Starch, general formula of starch is C6H10O5 and starch is polysaccharide, hence by N. When we hydrolyze this in the presence of acid at 393 Kelvin at 2 to 3 atmospheric pressure, then glucose is obtained, C6H12O6. In this way we can prepare the glucose by two methods, by cane sugar and second is by starch. Thank you students.